नमो नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहैः तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So this is a mantra from the Taittiriya Upanishad. It's a prayer to Brahman by both the teacher and the student. Sahana Bhavatu, may we together move in our studies, in teaching and learning. Together may we enjoy our studies. Together may we perform our studies with vigor and concentration. May our study be brilliant. May it not give rise to any hostility due to misunderstanding. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Peace. Om Peace Peace Peace. So this is a prayer, as I said, by both the teacher and the student to Brahman. An interesting story from Chandogya Upanishad is the story of Satyakama. Satyakama approaches sage Gautama to learn from him, to know Brahman from him. So he is very inquisitive. He asks the Guru, "Oh Guru, please tell me who is Brahman. I want to know Brahman." So the sage Gautama smiles and he says, "It is not so easy to know Brahman. Before I tell you, but I will, but before I do, why don't you take these cows over here and swell the herd, bring them to a good 1,000 in number, 1,000 healthy cows, okay? So take them and come back after some time." So Satyakama walks away with the cows. He takes the herd to a very bountiful, luscious green place where they can feed on a lot of grass. And so life is very peaceful for Satyakama and his herd. And very soon the herd grows into 1,000 healthy cows. So Satyakama is very happy. One day he is just sitting along the banks, he's under the tree, and slowly an elderly bull comes from the herd, comes and speaks to him. The bull is actually Vayu. So the bull says, "Oh Satyakama, I know that you want to know about Brahman. I do not know much, but whatever little I know, I will tell you. Imagine Brahman to have 4 feet. The 4 cardinal directions form one foot of Brahman, which is known as Prakashavan. The 4 cardinal directions known as Prakashavan or the shining. Know that as Brahman. So fix your mind on the 4 cardinal directions and meditate, and you will be able to conquer all the worlds across the 4 directions." So Satyakama heeds his advice, and that night, the night falls and he again moves his herd, and he decides to light a fire to warm himself up. Suddenly the fire begins to speak. It comes out and it speaks. The fire is actually Agni Dev. So Agni Dev says, "The 2nd foot of Brahman is are the world bodies around you, O Satyakama, the earth, the sky, the space between the earth and the sky, and the oceans. Know these to be Brahman. Fix your mind on these and you will know who Brahman is." Then the next person to speak is a swan from a nearby lake. The swan is actually Aditya, or the sun god. So he says the 3rd foot of Brahman is actually the different sources of lights, the sun, the moon, lightning, fire, also know all these known as Jyotishman or the luminous. Know these to be Brahman. Put your mind on these and meditate on these if you want to know who Brahman is. Then finally, after some time, a water bird comes and says the 4th foot of Brahman, O Satyakama, is in man. Breath, the eyes, the ears, mind, all of this, the sight, hearing, and your mind. Know these to be Brahman, the enduring, and fix your mind on these, concentrate on these, and you will know who Brahman is. So Satyakama feels extremely enlightened, and he feels now the time has come for him to go back to his Guru. He goes there and he shares with him the experiences that he had and what he learnt about Brahman from the birds and the beasts in the forest. So Sage Gautama is very happy and he says, "Now that you have understood what it is, let me also give you the instruction. I will also teach you the Brahma Vidya and help you understand who Brahman is." And before they start, of course, Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, सह वीर्यं करवावहैः तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Both the teacher and the taught take the vow that they will be in the quest for knowledge together. They will study with the same vigor and enthusiasm and concentration, and eventually try and know at least a bit of what the endless, everlasting Brahman is all about. Namo Namaha.